Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the smart key is charged and within 3 feet. Without that, the car won't register your presence. Next, place your foot on the brake. This is an intentional safety interlock, and make sure the gear selector is firmly in P. While doing this, glance at the dash for any key or system warnings so you don't begin troubleshooting later. Once these are set, you're ready to engage the vehicle's power. You press engine start/stop once to activate accessories and listen for fuel pump priming. This confirms systems are awake. Then, with your foot still on the brake, press start again to crank the engine. A single quick press is preferred. If the system seems sluggish, maintain firm brake pressure and press and release start deliberately. Modern electronics may need a distinct input. If the smart key fails, you confirm the engine idles smoothly and that warning lights go out. If it's cold, allow a brief warm-up to stabilize systems. If the car does not start, first swap the smart key battery or insert the key into the backup slot because proximity issues are the most common cause. Also check the brake pedal sensor and essential fuses. These prevent cranking. If immobilizer or persistent faults remain, call roadside assistance or your dealer. Do not force start the vehicle, which risks damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.